Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome. Today we have this Lenovo motherboard, Lenovo all-in-one motherboard. So let me check first that what is the status. When I plug in adapter, and here we can see the switch. You can see there is no response, and I show you the voltage ampere here. When I press power switch, you can see the variation. So let's see what is the short in this motherboard or which component is faulty. Let's trace it. One probe we will put on the ground, and meter is set to the diode mode, continuity mode. When we plug in, we connect this probe to the ground, it will be. So let's check. This have 4 value, and this is a supply for processor. So this will beep and also give some value, impedance value. So let's check here. This is supply. This is all good. Let's see other side. This supply is okay. This supply is okay. This supply is okay. All the supplies are okay. Let's check 19 voltage now. You can see here the 19 voltage are short. So let's check which side is short. Let's give some supply on the short point so that we will get the short component. So guys, as you can see, this IC burned out. This IC, when I give supplies to this IC, this short voltage, this IC get burned. So we have to replace this IC, and I hope shortage. So let me pull out this IC, and then let's see the shortage. You can see now there is no shortage anymore. Let's check this point. There is no shortage. So guys, our shortage has been cleared, but now we have to replace this IC now. So guys, this IC I checked, this is not available. So there is an alteration. So we will make it. Let me show you. This is the circuit that will convert. You see 2 points for input and 2 points for output. So this will convert 19 voltage to 12 volt. That was the requirement at this step. Here we need, at this coil we need 12 volt. So here 19 voltage are coming, and 12 volt will be converted step down. So let's fix this converter. Let me fix it inside, and then let's check it's working or not. See now, this is connected. Input output are connected. What I did here, I disconnected the coil that was going to coming from this IC. So on the output side, I connected the output positive, and this is ground, and 19 volt coming in to this IC. I connected input. I connected this red cable, voltage input, and here it is ground, this black cable. And now let's check if it is working or not working. So guys, you can see now motherboard is switched on. Let's check the keyboard. You can see now keyboard is active, so it means it have a display now. So let's pack it, and after packing I will show you the display. So let's check now. We will plug in the adapter now and switch on. It's get switched on now. Let's check the display. So guys, you can see now the display is okay now. System is working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.